Traditionally, the RTE Top 10 Earners list was the national broadcaster's most commented upon, criticised and controversial document. Star presenters names like Ryan Tubridy, Joe Duffy, Claire Byrne, Miriam O'Callaghan and Ray D'Arcy featured prominently in the league table of earnings. But the Ryan Tubridy payment scandal has changed all of that. Now it turns out that RTE's senior executives earn more than many of their top 10 star presenters, the Irish Independent can reveal. The new figures from the real RTE top 10 highest earners puts paid to the notion the so-called talent were the sole big earners in RTE. The RTE top 10 highest earners now sees Joe Duffy in first place on €351,000. But the next highest paid figure in RTE is not a star, but Deputy Director General Adrian Lynch on $287,000. He became familiar to the public from an Oireachtas committee hearing last summer as the executive who couldn't understand independent TD Matty McGrath's accent when he asked, "Who are ye loyal to?"
Who are we lying to about what?
Loyal to. Loyal.
Loyal to. Loyal.
Sorry.
Jesus.
I didn't accuse you of lying. Sorry.
Loyal.
Mr. Lynch is followed by Director of Operations and Technology Richard Waghorn on $282,000. Claire Byrne then comes in on $280,000, down $41,000 on the previous year as she reduced her TV work to focus on her radio show. Completing the top 5 is RTE Director of Human Resources Emer Cusack, who was a key figure in the exit payment scandal at the national broadcaster on $275,000. Ms. Cusack knew about the $450,000 sweetheart deal with former Chief Financial Officer Breda O'Keefe for 6 years, but didn't tell fellow executives. She also admitted writing a letter saying the redundancy was signed off by management. Next on the list is Director of News and Current Affairs Deirdre McCarthy on $273,000, followed by Miriam O'Callaghan on $264,000. Former Director of Legal, Paula Mullooly, was on $260,000 last year. After that, Ray D'Arcy comes in on $250,000, while Ryan Tubridy was paid $245,000 up to his departure in August and remained in the top 5 presenters list. The previous year, Mr. Tubridy was the highest earning presenter in RTE on €515,000, which included the last of the infamous Renault payments. And you can read more of this detail on the Irish Independent.